Full nail tool set. Our nail art toolkit contains 15 pieces nail brushes and 5 pieces dotting tools for nails and 1 pieces resin nail palette. You can make the color you want on the plate, and easily draw various dots, and create beautifu flowers, lines, swirls, plaid, fine details pattern, etc. High-quality nail tools. The pen handle is made of quality acrylic and the brush hair is made of soft nylon, works well with regular nail polish and gel. The palette is made of high-quality resin, has a jade-like luster, and is wrapped in gold, high-end luxury. They will give you a good using experience. Double-ended. The nail dotting tool set has 5 metal balls and 5 brush heads, which can satisfy your different needs. The pink acrylic barrel design is fashionable and natural. All metal balls are made of high-quality stainless steel, durable and sturdy. Widely used. The nail palette can meet your requirements for more colors. These nail art dotting tool and gel nail brush can be used for professional manicurists to draw nail art patterns and for beginners to practice nail art. In addition, they can also be used for painting, precision writing, handicraft, etc. Perfect gift for nail lovers. Nail design kit is a perfect gift for nail lovers. Dotting tool and brushes for nail are suitable for home use and professional nail salon. It is the best gift for girlfriend, daughter and mother for birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving and anniversary. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty good. The palette gets sticky even after using nail polish remover to get the colors off. Other than that, this is a great set.